The HIZONE 135A 3-in-1 welder is a versatile machine that combines Flux-cored Gasless MIG, MMA, and Lift TIG welding capabilities, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. With its synergy control feature, this welder automatically matches the recommended current and wire feeding speed based on the selected diameter of the welding wire, ensuring optimal performance. Safety is a priority with this welder, as it includes overheat, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overload protection, and a high-efficiency cooling fan to extend the machine's lifespan. Weighing only 10.7 pounds, this welder is lightweight and portable, featuring a compact design with a shoulder strap and handles for easy transportation. Preset modes cater to various needs such as home DIY projects, outdoor repairs, farming tasks, and road equipment maintenance, making it highly adaptable. HIZONE offers excellent customer support, ready to assist with any issues within 24 hours, ensuring a positive user experience.